Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay on Venmo. First, this video will not show you an interface through the app. So if you're looking for that, I truly apologize. I cannot log into my account. I'm outside the US at the moment. I cannot log in or even create. Anyway, to do so, you'll need, of course, to have an account. First of all, if you have login into it, if you don't, go and create an account. And if you don't even have it downloaded, just go and download it. It's very simple. So simply we'll follow an article. Of course, here, pay with Venmo. As example, you will simply have to add Venmo as a payments button to an existing checkout integration to allow payers to check out with Venmo. This is, as an example, if you want to have Venmo as a payments provider, if you have a store, if you want to just pay Venmo normally, pay something with Venmo, as an example, it should be very easy. As an example, you need to go, as an example, to wherever you want to pay. Normally, there are some QR codes that you can scan with your Venmo and pay the amount that you should accept to. Of course, you can shop through locals and pay very simple with your Venmo right away. As you can see, then you can also, if you have like a debit card or credit card linked to your Venmo, it can directly pay from that. So, for example, the Venmo debit card gives you another way to pay. It's always right in your wallet. You can do that just through your phone, apply in the app, and you will be able to do it. So of course you can pay the Venmo way, which is very easy. And of course, that's if you want to just add it as a payments provider. If you have a store or something like that, as an example, how it works, you can simply add Venmo to the payments button to existing checkouts integration to allow payers to check out with Venmo. Once it's integrated, Venmo, your payers get a seamless checkout process, choice of any payments method added to the Venmo wallet, the ability to split purchases among friends, and the option to share purchase information on social feed. And yeah, that's basically it. So that's how you pay with Venmo. Thank you for watching and goodbye.